Welcome to Wondertales. In the heart of a frolicsome morning, a discovery awaited Ellie, a novel juice on the kitchen table. Bubbly Berry Blast warning, may cause nose giggles, read the label. Intrigued, she took a small sip, and pop! A bubble playfully tickled her nose. A joyous eep echoed around the room, leaving her in fits of laughter. However, the bubbles had just begun their dance. They twirled out of the cup, a whirlwind of tiny dancers. Each pop, a symphony of giggles erupted from Ellie. The bubbles went on a journey around her room, teasing her toes, her ears, even her cat. Intrigued, Ellie asked, "Where do you hail from, magical bubbles?" A solitary bubble whispered, "We originate from the Giggle Factory, the birthplace of joy." Overwhelmed with laughter, Ellie exclaimed, "Never has a drink brought me such delight." From that day forth, whenever Ellie sought a smile, she'd indulge in the juice and bask in the giggles. And you know what? The more she laughed, the more bubbles emerged, spreading joy all around. So where does your joy come from? Thanks for popping in to the Bubbly Berry Blast. Keep sparkling, keep laughing, and always stay juicy.